Hello everyone, my name is Diana. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you guys 8 of my favorite steps that I personally use in order to grow my nails longer and faster. So if you guys are also interested in growing your nails longer and faster, go ahead and stay tuned. First and foremost, I just want to mention that I am not a doctor. I am also not an expert on nail growth. There is actually no scientific method that's been proven that helps nails grow faster and longer and stronger. Again, these are only the 7 steps that I use that I have noticed that actually help my nail growth. Step number 1, take biotin pills. These are actually the biotin pills that I personally use. They are 10,000 mcg per gel, and it's a dietary supplement and is perfect for hair, skin, and nail health. And a website that I found online, which I'm gonna go ahead and put the link on the description box, it says that biotin is an important type of B vitamin that allows the body to turn food into energy. It's also highly recommended as a supplement to help boost the strength of hair and nails. And now let's say that you wouldn't want to take any type of pills. So biotin can be found naturally in brewer's yeast, cooked eggs, nuts and nut butters, whole grains, soy and other beans, cauliflower, bananas, and mushrooms. Step number 2. Avoid soaking your nails in water for a long period of time. So if you guys didn't know this, but soaking your nails or your hands in water for a long period of time can actually weaken your nails, which can therefore have a higher risk of your nails breaking. So when washing the dishes or cleaning your bathroom or doing anything that has to do with water, I highly suggest to go right ahead and use rubber gloves. And that way there is no type of contact with water and your nails. And plus, wearing rubber gloves on your hands is actually really good for protecting your hands from any harsh chemicals. Now, I know that you may ask, but Diana, what about when I go to the pool or when I go to the beach or even when I shower? What can I do to prevent my nails from breaking when I am doing those type of activities for a long time? And the answer to that is in step number 3, which is use nail hardeners. Sorry guys, I kind of have an accent. So yeah, so nail hardeners and nail polishes. So actually experts have recommended to use nail hardeners, which I personally use the Sally Hansen nail hardener. I've been using this product for years now. I don't normally use it all the time when I paint my nails. I only use it maybe once a month. I use this little product here because in a month I usually paint my nails 3 times, so I only use this once. So I guess once per every 3 other nail paintings that you do. So very important to paint your nails with nail polishes all the time when you can, because what that does, it creates extra coats on top of your nails, which can prevent your nails from feeling a little thin and which can obviously prevent from your nails from breaking faster. Also, it's important that you try nail polishes that have little to no toxin chemicals. Try to look for water-based formulas. I actually have to take out this nail polish because it's already getting a little nasty. It may take a while, guys. Stay tuned though, because these next 4 tips are gonna be something that you're gonna want to hear.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so I am back now, and I only did one hand so far because actually this nail polish that I had on right now, it actually had 4 coats, so 2 coats of the blue color that you guys see and 2 more coats of the sparkly other nail polish that I used right on top. And this is taking forever to take off. It's really stubborn right now. So yeah, I only took off one nail polish from one hand and the other one is gonna be like this. So I'm gonna look kind of weird throughout my whole video. Well, just stay tuned. There's still 4 more steps that you guys need to see. So this is how my nails are. They're a little kind of yellowy right now. That's because of the nail polishes. But yeah, if you really just deep clean them, you should be good. Actually very hard. I try to even bend it a little bit. It won't bend. They're really, really strong. That goes to show you that the methods that I use, they really work. So stay tuned. Oh my god, I love this song. I love Shakira. I know you guys can hear it. Let me put it higher for you guys. You make a woman go mad, so be wise and keep on reading the signs of my body. Okay, I'm done, guys. Step number 4. Avoid using any glue on nails, any UV gel nails, any acrylic nails, or any type of nail polishes that have toxin chemicals in it. Researchers have actually found that regular use of glue on artificial nails can weaken real nails and make them more prone to breaking. Like personally for me, back then when I used to do UV gel nails, because obviously I've never done acrylics since my nails have always been long and kind of hard. That's because I've been using these steps for like almost my whole life, guys. I'm not even joking. So basically back then, I want to say like 3 years ago, when I was really into UV gel nails, I started noticing that they were turning very, very thin. They were turning very weak. That's why I had to stop using gel polishes, because the UV light that goes into the nail, it actually causes your nails to turn very, very weak, which is really, really bad for the health of your nails and for the growth and the strength of your own natural nails. So really, gel nails are like the worst thing. Also with acrylics, I can't really say anything about acrylic nails because I've never gotten them done, but I've heard stories from my friends and family when they do get acrylic nails, after they get the acrylic nails off, they feel their nails very thin, like super, super thin. Now, on the other hand, if you're still interested in getting fake nails and somehow these steps that I've shown you, if they don't work for you, so if you still want to get like fake long nails, I suggest the better option for you is to use dip powder. I believe it's dip powder and gel nail extensions. So the UV nails is the ones where they use the UV light. This one's gel nail extensions, which is very, very different. And as mentioned earlier, try to look for nail polishes formulas that are water-based, because these are much more healthier for the growth of your nails. Step number 5. Avoid biting your own nails. I know this is easier said than done, but there are actually a few methods that you can use to avoid biting your nails, which something that I found online is called the anti-nail biting polish. So this is a polish that tastes very bad, I'm guessing. So what you can do is go right ahead and use one coat on top of your nails, or even on top of the nail polish that you have put on your nails. This can actually prevent you from biting your nails because of the taste of it. So I think that's one great method that you can use to avoid biting those nails, and therefore making your nails grow longer and faster. Step number 6. Practice good grooming, guys. So regular nail grooming can also help boost the strength of your nails, encouraging growth and reducing breakage. Some ways to keep your nails well maintained include keeping your nails dry and clean, which keeps bacteria from growing beneath them, using sharp manicure scissors or clippers to trim your nails straight across. So we got a little file thing, I don't know what it's called. So we got this here. So what we do, I like to just file them right across. However, when they get to the edges, I don't like them to be too sharp. I like them to be actually a little curved. Personally, because I have found my nails, when they're very sharp from the edges, I found them to break very easily and faster. However, when I have my nails a little curvier from the edges, I found them to not break as fast. So yeah, there's a little extra tip for y'all. Step number 7. Match your nail length to your lifestyle, or find alternatives to your lifestyle. I know the last time that I broke one of my natural nails was when I was lifting some heavy boxes from my storage room. So what I mean by matching your nail length to your lifestyle is that, of course, if on your daily lifestyle you lift heavy boxes, or you move stuff around, or you move furniture, or you do anything that you have to really use your fingernails, of course your fingernails are gonna be more prone to breaking easily and faster. So here are some alternatives that you guys can do in order to prevent your nails from breaking. Alternative number 1. So let's say like this little cream here that I have. It's such a little cream from Ecuador that I purchased for like when I get pimples and when I start breaking out. So as you can see, it looks like it's very kind of hard to open. So what I do, instead of like using my nails to open them like this, you know, use your hand, the tip of your fingers. Just use your fingers in order for you to open it. Another thing that you can also find an alternative into doing is that if you are touching your remote control and you happen to click the buttons with your nails, don't do that. Click it with your fingers. This is gonna prevent you from breaking your nails easier. Let's say that if you're opening a box, don't open it with your fingernails. Use scissors instead. Or let's say if you're going to the ATM, don't use your nails to push buttons around. Instead, use your knuckles or use the tip of your fingers. But I would highly suggest to use your knuckles for that one. Or let's say the toilets, they have its flushing button like right on top. You can always just use your knuckle instead of like just shoving your finger in there full on force. That's gonna cause your nails to break. So why not just use your knuckles to flush the toilet? Those are the only examples that I can personally think of right now, right on top of my head, but you guys get my point. And for our last step, drum roll please. Use nail oil regularly, and honestly it doesn't even have to be regular specific nail oils. You can always use extra virgin olive oil, which is the oil that I personally use, or you can also find alternative oils, which are coconut oils and jojoba oils. Using any of these oils can actually keep your nails flexible. The bottom line is that your nails are a reflection of your overall health, so it's important that you stick to a well-balanced nutrition plan if you want stronger, longer, and faster growing nails. However, sometimes nails need a little help into growing faster. That's where these home remedies that I just showed you today can come in handy into growing your nails longer and faster. But remember, nails won't magically grow overnight, but if you take good care of them, they will grow longer and faster, making them less prone to breakage. So that concludes the end of my video. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you guys found this video to be very helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Ciao!